our important vocabulary. There's going to be a little bit, so just stay with me. So the first word we have is attributes. Everybody say this word with me. Attributes. Attributes. Good job. So attributes are characteristics used to describe something. So let's look at this square. This is a square because there are 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. So I know it's a square, and I also know it's orange. This is a circle. There are no straight lines or straight sides that make it. It's just one curved line, and it's blue. This is a triangle because there are 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices, and it is green. And this is also a triangle, and it has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices, and it's bigger than this green one, and it is yellow. So attributes are ways that we can describe different things. Our next word is figure. A figure is an illustration, diagram, or representation. So sometimes we'll say, look at this figure, and if we say that, we're saying, look at this picture that is on the page. The next word is polygon. Everybody say polygon with me. Polygon. This is an important word. So a polygon is a closed figure, there's that word again, with at least 3 straight sides. So it cannot be something that has curved lines. They have to all be straight, and they have to have at least 3 straight lines, and they have to be closed. So that means that there can't be any open space. All the lines are going to come back together somewhere. So this triangle is an example of a polygon because it has 1, 2, 3 sides, and it's a closed figure. There's no open space. This pentagon is a polygon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and it's a closed shape. This square is a polygon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's a closed shape. This parallelogram is a polygon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's a closed shape. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides, which is an octagon, but it has 8 sides that are all straight and it's closed, so it's also a polygon. This is going to be an important word to remember. All the figures we're going to talk about today are two-dimensional figures. So a two-dimensional or 2D figure is a flat shape with only 2 dimensions, such as length and width. So it's only going to have the length and the width. It's not necessarily going to be having the height as well. So it's going to be a flat object. The first one we're going to look at is triangle. A triangle is a two-dimensional or 2D figure with 3 sides. So count the sides with me. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 sides, and it's also a polygon because it has at least 3 straight sides, and it's a closed figure. The next one is a quadrilateral. This is a harder word. Say it with me. Quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is a 4-sided figure. So you'll see there's lots of different ways to draw a quadrilateral, but all of these figures have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to talk about quadrilaterals in more depth in a couple of days. The next word is pentagon. Pentagon is a figure with 5 sides and 5 vertices. So let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5 sides are there. The vertices are where the 2 sides meet. So this would be 1 vertice, 2 vertice, 3 vertice, 4 vertice, 5 vertice. The next word we have is hexagon. Hexagon is a two-dimensional figure with 6 sides and 6 vertices. I like to help remember how to say hexagon and what it actually is because it has this X. Hexagon, and there's 6 sides and 6 vertices, so it has that X to help me remember. But let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 vertices. And remember, it has that X, so it helps us remember that it's the one with 6. The next word we have is congruent. Congruent is a fancy math term that means exactly the same shape and size. So if something is congruent, it's the same shape and the same size. All right, that's our vocabulary. Let's get started with our next activity.